Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel called Avadi Manufacturing. So before we start today's lecture, I would like to request all of you to please like on my video, comment, subscribe and share in your valuable network. दोस्तों आपके एक like और comment और subscribe से आपका तो कुछ impact नहीं होगा, but this will impact my own channel performance and it will help in growing my channel more rapidly and it will reach to an audience which is in need of such valuable informative video. So let's start today's lecture. So the today topic is to discuss as to how to fill an FSCA form which is given by an Indian CDSCO. What do we mean by an FSCA? It is called as Field Safety Corrective Action Report or the form. So this form was published by an Indian CDSCO. Now let's go in detail as to what information is supposed to be mentioned in the respective boxes. So before filling this form, the reporter collects the prescribed information in the form. This form will serve as the reporting tool in lieu with the medical device tool, which is 2017 as per the 4th schedule, right? A scanned signed copy of PDF version of this form is to be sent to the Indian CDSCO via email to dci.nic.in. Additional information that may be a patient for the completion of this form can be provided as an attachment. So it's up to the reporter as to how much information he or she need to give along with this form. All the field safety notices will be published on the CDSCO website and the reporter holds the full responsibility for the information contained in the field safety notification. The reporter must indemnify CDSCO for all losses, claims and demands, liability, causes of action, expenses of any kind of arising from the CDSCO publication of a field safety notification. So I hope this is very simple and easy to understand. Now let's go in all the respective block as to what information the reporter is going to fulfill. The primary information. What is the type of an FSCA? Whether it's a product recall or whether it's based on certain other corrective action which have been took in the past for one of the adverse events which have been raised. What is the type of report? Whether it's a notification, whether it's a preliminary report or the final report. On which date this report was published. What is the reference number, right? Now we are going to give information for the reporters like the contact person name, the job title, the telephone number, email address, office address and the location contact detail. So I hope this is very simple and easy to understand. Now we are going to give an information related to the device, only the general information which comprises of 3 points. The device name, the accessory or associate devices affected with that event and the device intended use. You will get this information in an IFU or your PO, purchase order or on the brochure or on the label information on the boxes and kit cartons. Now we are going to specify the information of regulatory details. What is the device regulatory status for this product in Indian? Whether the device is registered globally, whether the device is marketed globally, if yes then provided details. Now we need to provide the regulatory status into Indian market. The first one was abroad Indian market, beyond India, right? Now we need to specify the device status in Indian market, such as whether the device is registered in India, yes or no. Whether this device is marketed in India, yes or no. If yes, then provide the details. Now we need to give the information related to the manufacturer and the contact detail. What is the product license holder number, local authorized representative name and address if it is available, or the importer or distributed information. Now the reporter needs to give the information of a device which is impacted due to this an event. What is the model number of this device, the CAT number, the serial number, the affected lot or the batch number, the UDI number and the accessory or associate device affected. Now we need to give information of device related to the FSCA information, such as number of affected units, how many units it has been affected, when it was manufactured in India, whether it was imported into India, whether supplied in India or whether it is expected shipment to India. So all this information you need to fulfill. How many units were being affected? Specify those. We need to specify FSCA strategy, Did FSCA arises due to an adverse event? Yes or no? If yes, what is the category of the adverse event? Whether it is a serious, death, serious injury, non-serious injury. Did this adverse event occur in India? We need to specify that information. Evaluation of risk associated with affected device health hazardous evaluation report we need to give. And then we need to give the reason and details for the FSCA. Other than the adverse event, right? The moment you give all the information, now the times come where you need to give the information of a affected device details such as the device identifier, the lot number listed in the FSCA communication. This block will be fulfilled for the device other than India, right? Has the FSCA communication been sent to all consignee? Whosoever where this we have delivered this product, right, to the other consignee. What is the date of commencement on FSCA by the owner? What is the date of commencement if applicable? Country to which FSCA has been reported. Proposed date of completion of an FSCA. Summary of the root cause analysis and the corrective action. Same thing you need to fulfill for the India. The information remains the same. You also need to give the change notification number if applicable, such a type of change, whether it's a software change, design change or the labeling change as a part of an FSCA. If a software change, whether any feature not related to FSCA have been incorporated, yes or no, and any other information. At last, you need to give an assurity that whatever the information which you have supplied, it is true and valid. Now then, at last you need to put the signature, name of the reporting person and the date of notification. So I hope you must have enjoyed my today's lecture. Please do comment in case of any query in my description box below. I'll be reverting over there. Till then, thank you, take care, bye bye.